Okay, folks, doing some more practice looking at negative reciprocals, so perpendicular lines for GCSE maths. Okay, and this is ideally here for the higher tier only. Okay, although the techniques here may also be applicable here for foundation, but yeah, I'd say probably question 7 might be foundation only, but question 8 and 9 is higher tier only. Okay. Question 7, write the negative reciprocal of each number. So remember, you flip it and then you negate it. So that'll be minus 3/5. Okay, 5/3 goes to minus 3/5. This next one, minus 2/5, we'll go to positive 5/2. 4/7 will go to minus 7/4. 13 will obviously go to 1/13 or 1/13. Or e minus a 14th will go to positive 14, okay, or 14/1, which is going to be 14. And this one here is a bit more sneakier, minus 8. That's actually going to be minus 4/5 as a fraction. Again, I'm not going to delve too much into it as to why that is. Obviously, check it if you need to obviously check it. Because obviously 0.2 is actually 1/5. 0.8 will be 4/5. Obviously, it's a minus, it's minus 4/5. We flip it and we get 5/4. Okay, and again, the gradients will obviously multiply to make minus 1. Okay, so if you multiply all of these fractions, okay, for each question, you will get the answer of minus 1. Okay, that's where you obviously check your answer is correct. Question number 8, write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 14x plus 1. So that would be y is equal to minus a 14th x, and then let's pick any number here, plus, I don't know, plus 7, okay, or plus 10, or plus a million, whatever it is, okay, as long as it's not like the same number here, or it can be the same number there, actually, sorry, that's my, but yeah, it's best to like, it's best to choose like a different C value. You compare your answer with your partners, how many different answers are there, so they're actually infinite, okay, number of answers. So if I was in a class here with my colleagues in my school, or my students, I can't spell infinite, right? There we go. Eat. There we go. I think that's right. Infinite, or is it? I think it's IT. There we go. Okay, I think that's right. But anyway, someone correct me if I made a mistake. INFINITE. Okay. Question number 9. Write the equation of a line is perpendicular to y equals 8 minus 3x and passes through the point 0, 15. So here we can see, obviously, it's not written in the form y equals mx plus c. Hopefully you can see that the gradient here is equal to minus 3. So the negative reciprocal, that would be minus 1/3, or minus 1/3. So that'll be equal to plus 1/3. Okay, so the final answer will just read y is equal to 1/3 x, or x/3, or x/3, okay, plus 15, because that's where it crosses on the y-axis. Okay, so yeah, so here, as long as your x value is equal to 0, that number here is your plus c, and y is equal to mx plus c, where m is your gradient and c is your y-intercept. Okay, so that's really key, guys. Okay, so m is your gradient, the coefficient of x, and c is where it crosses the y-axis, okay, or y-axis. Okay, thank you.